Hello, you guys, we have a brand new Munimade release to show you guys today. Now, you may be familiar with some of the artwork and know who the artist is. She has other artwork by this artist, so definitely go check out the website. This is from Cat Fedora, okay? Love this artwork. We're gonna talk about all the details of the painting, but let's just look at this first. It's called Lady of the River. Now, I definitely say the lady right here in the river, but to me, the focal point of this painting is this beautiful, just sleeping fox right here up in the trees. You've got the fox here, and the fox's tail, it's almost like, and this is what it looks like to me, the fox's tail was almost turning into like the leaves of the tree, right? All on his tail. It's just beautiful. You've got the bridge here, the mushrooms, the river, the lights, the twinkling lights, the tree. So let's get into this, okay? Now, if you're watching this video, watch it all the way through, and then I will give you the information on when it's going to be released, okay? So let's talk about the details here. All right, this entire thing is a sticker, okay? These, of course, have your, labels here to put on your storage container, but this has a picture of the image. And again, it's a Lady of the River, and it is licensed artwork from Cat Fedora. You can put this in your logbook. What I do is I cut this off right here, and I use this part for my logbook. And you can put your start date, your completed date. It is a square. So for all you square lovers out there, this is perfect. The diamond count is 53,600. It's a great size. It's a 50 by 67 in centimeters. And there you've got your SKU number that'll also be on the drills. Let's see, it's got 56 colors. And I also like how Munimade has the 3 special drills, which it has 3 ABs out of those 56. They're in a different color. So you kind of know, which ones are going to be the special drills. Again, these are all stickers. These are individually cut. So they just peel right off, and you can put these on your storage containers, okay? And she also gives you some extra ones. So let's look at this kit. All right, so the colors, oh my gosh, I just love this. It's just gorgeous. I keep looking at it, and it's just beautiful. Cat Fedora's artwork is spot on, chef's kiss. All right, here is the color palette. Now, these are all individually bagged and in order. So if you want to work straight out of baggies, you can do that. Yep, you can totally do that. And there's the SKU number, so if you want to store these separately. Munimade also gives you a tag. So you can do several things with this tag. You can wrap it around the diamond painting when it's actually rolled up. You can put this actually in the pack of drills, so you know which drills go to which painting. You can also purchase a telescoping tube, which I'll show you at the end of the video, and you can attach it to the strap. So this tag is very, very handy. It gives you all the information, okay? It's got the little elastic band, so I really do like the tag that she gives you. But back to the drills. All right, so we've got several beautiful colors. I love the color palette. It's very cozy, warm. You've got a lot of greens and browns and oranges. Now I did pull out the 3 ABs. You can see them right here, and we're gonna see where those go, okay? But yeah, love this color palette. It's just beautiful. Okay, so we've got 3 ABs. I love the choice of ABs that they chose to choose from. We've got like a coral. To me, it's almost like a lighter coral. So it's 722. It's an orange coral. We've got 907, which is a really pretty green, and then we have some white. So they really highlighted, all 3 kind of colors throughout the painting. And of course, you can always enhance it with more if you want to. It's your diamond painting. You can do what you want with it. All right, so let's start off by seeing where this orange goes. All right, that's the diamond. That's going to be, let me bring it up a little bit closer. It's going to be primarily in the fox. And let's see, let me find it here. Here we go. It's this color right here. Do you see those diamonds kind of flowing down the tail? So it's going to be kind of within the tail right here. I also see some over here and here. I see several up here in the tree. It's that color right there. Very, very pretty. And so it's going to be highlighting the tree and the fox's tail. And again, a little bit down here in the tree as well. I don't see it. Oh, there's also down here. I actually thought these were leaves at first, but again, it's part of the fox. The fox is almost turning into the forest. Like they're kind of, turning into one. So I love that. So it's down here. And yes. Okay. So that's going to be the first one. So I'll go ahead and kind of place it right here so you can kind of get an idea of where it's going to be. This next one is a really cool color, and I like where it's been placed. This is 907. Now, it's actually in the leaves right here that are over here on the fox. You see that bright green? It's going to be here. Okay. I also see some, there's actually some around, where did I see that? Yeah, around here on this side. So it's going to kind of be in the green. It's also down here in the green. And I don't know if y'all noticed, there's a couple little houses right here. Yep. Let me show you the original artwork again. There's a couple of little houses. You see those houses with a little smoke coming out? I love all the little details that you see when you really look at these paintings a little bit closer. I didn't see that at first. So I love those little houses. Sorry, I got distracted. But the green is going to be through here as well. Let me see if I see it anywhere else. There is a little bit down here as well in the green. Okay, so little pops of that lime green all over. Whoops, let me leave that here. Okay. And then the white, it's a smaller bag of white, but this is 5,200. This is going to make the little stars in the sky twinkle. Okay. So where you see the white right here, the little white speckles, that's all going to be the stars. That white AB is going to be all through here. I love that. And in addition to that, they're also going to be highlighting that white right here around the little lights on the bridge. That's going to be the white AB, that white rim around each light, which I just love that. That's perfect, placement, the stars and here. I love this painting so much. It's just giving me warm, cozy vibes. This fox, if you love foxes, obviously it's a huge focal point. Kat Fedora's artwork, again, Munimade has lots of other, paintings of hers, which by the way, I did want to mention, if there's a Kat Fedora painting that you do like, in addition to this one that you want to order and it might be out of stock, be sure and sign up for the back in stock alerts. And that way, if you click on the painting, you can sign up with your email and you'll get alerted when they're back in stock. But I love this one. Look at her. She's so pretty. It's just so calming. You got the mushrooms down here, the little houses with the smoke. It's like a little village. It's a little cobblestone bridge. I love this painting. So let's talk about if you choose for premium upgrades, you've got several different options, okay? The first thing is you can upgrade, you can choose to purchase a dust cover bag. You will get a large green dust cover bag. These are great. They do have the drawstring, so you can protect your diamond painting and put it in there for travel, storage. It's really nice to have. So you'll get a green one. And in addition to that, if you also want to upgrade your toolkit, which is a great way, y'all, hint, hint, to get a Munimade tray. Now it will be a lot larger than this. This is just a sample. You will get a large blue tray and it will have a stopper and a lid. Okay. So I love the colors that they chose to accent this painting. I think it's perfect. And then again, you also will get, you can also choose a telescoping carrying tube. These are awesome. And again, you can put your strap, like I mentioned, you can put your little tag on there and these just notch up depending on the size of your painting. I love, love, love these telescoping tubes. So definitely add one of these to your cart as well, because they really do come in handy. And again, if you want a toolkit, if you need one, if you're an avid diamond painter, you may not need one. These are free, just a basic toolkit. You know how she does it. So if you want to include this, just click that you want a toolkit. And if you don't need one, it's saving on, waste, which I think is awesome. So yeah, that's the free toolkit. And of course, with the premium toolkit, with the upgrade, you do get a fun little organza bag with all kinds of, you get blue wax, you get a novelty pen, a cover minder, washi tape, tweezers, a pen, multi-placers. She just loads you up with all kinds of goodies. So yes, all right, y'all. That is it for this brand new release. It's called, again, Lady of the River. I love her. You're probably going to be seeing me work on this one in the future. Hint, hint. So I do love it so much. So if you are hearing this out of my voice right now, watching this video, guess what? It is available now on Munimade.com. Go run, go grab it, and enjoy. Okay, thank y'all. Bye.